Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find more games on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the play button. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the more games button next to the community option. And here you can find similar games, for example the homescapes, township of the fish dam, and more. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.